Hi guys, this is lesson 6 in which we're going to work on character design, but in a more thorough way. In this case, a peer character. I decided that this character is going to be a teacher. If you remember from the previous lessons, as I said that I wanted to create characters that are connected in some way. As I've already done a group of students, I'm going to draw now their school teachers. And this will be their female homeroom teacher. I want to explain that, of course, there are a lot of personalities, characters, and expressions. And we know that there are not two people which are similar, but anyway, I decided to design these characters from common stereotypes. This time, I thought of the nice teacher that is loved by all her students. She'll have calm expression and, well, we can't help it. Our reference will be a pear. So, as we are using a fruit, first of all, we are going to draw the basic shape. Once we have it, we can start adding some little details that might be good for our final drawing. For example, I already have the basic shape of the pear, so I'm adding details such as another smaller leaf, which will be the bank of the teacher. No, the reference image on the left doesn't have two leaves, but references are only inspiration, not for copycatting. And guys, let's continue. Now let's do the eyes. If you remember from previous drawings, I'm including eyes, mouth, and limbs. There's nothing much else except for those extra elements that defined the personality of each character. For example, remember the basketball for the broccoli, the glasses for the radish, etc. For this pear, what I did is raise the bigger leaf and I started to draw it curled. This will give some more personality to my character. Yeah, it gives a different look, right? Oh guys, I forgot to tell you that the brush I'm using for this drawing is one of Kale Webster's that come by default on Photoshop CC 2018. It's one of the dry brushes. To color, I use the second one called Happy Box. As you might have noticed, this process is a bit slower than what you're seeing right now because the video is speeded up. As an estimate, I spent 1 hour per character, but that's because I had to thought about what I was going to do each time. It's not an easy task, though. You can also play around with the symmetry. If you like how you've drawn one eye, and you don't think you'll get the same result with the other, just select it, copy it, press Ctrl and T, and reflect it so that you have a symmetrical copy. I'm drawing this character like if it's in the middle of the class. That's why I'm drawing the index finger sticking out and also a book. She's a teacher, but to avoid further complications, I'm just going to use these two simple details. So guys, remember, just go little by little. These are just black lines that we are attaching to the body to form the arms and the legs. And it will be even simpler because I'll add some black shoes. So it's not really complicated. Okay, the eyes are done. Perfect. Okay, almost. Just a little details. Okay, let's do the book now. As I said, look for as many references as you want, because that's what's going to help you create something nice. But, guys, drawing out of your imagination is not bad either. But if there are things that can help you depict something in a more accurate way, you should use them. For example, that could help you draw a book. In my case, the reference image helped me draw the Pear. Anyway, if there are things that you don't know very well, it's better to be prepared before doing them. Like doing some research and something like that. And we are almost done with the upper part, so only the lower part would be missing now. Later on, I'll color this so that you can see how you can do it. And, well, there's not much else to it. I'll be doing also 2 more teachers, so you'll be able to see the different personalities that I've chosen for every vegetable and fruit. As you can see, you just have to keep cleaning up the sketch until you like the result. And there's not much else to say. Arrange the layers however you want. If you want to try any other brush, do it. Yeah, it's not that difficult, I think. In case you're not drawing fruit, try to simplify the lines as much as you can. Because the more complexity, the higher the challenge for you would be. So, if you're still a beginner, take it easy. It's my recommendation, guys. So these are the other 2 characters. I've recorded a speed paint session doing this. And I'll show you it to you later on to complement what you've seen in this video. The 2 characters are a raisin and a pepper, each with their own personality. And they complete the set. So I hope you liked this lesson and see you in the next one, in which we are going to begin inking these characters prior to making a composition with them. So bye!